Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set custom ringtone on iPhone. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. Right after, click on ringtone. Here you will see all the ringtones currently available on your iPhone. So just choose on the mobile number that you want to change the ringtone. So as you can see, we have the list here. And if you want to get additional ringtone, tap on Tone Store at the top of the screen. This will open the iTunes Store where you can browse and purchase different ringtones. So just find and look for the ringtone that you want, then tap the price to purchase it. After downloading it, you could just go back and return to settings, then tap sounds and haptics again and choose the ringtone that you purchased. So that should appear here on the list. Tap to select it, and your new ringtone is now set and will play whenever you receive a call. And that is just basically how you set the custom ringtone on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.